Hello, this is problem 25 of a 50-part series of problems from Orgo 1. We are at the halfway mark. That's amazing. Okay, if we look at this substrate here, we are really adding Br2 and water in the substrate, right? So the thing that you have to remember whilst adding these substrates on the double bond is number one, that this is a trans addition whenever we are adding Br2 and water, or you can even call it anti-addition. Okay, so this is a trans addition, and in addition to that, what we have to remember is that the Markovnikov rule still applies. The Br2 and water provides an electrophile, which is Br positive, and OH negative as the nucleophile in the reaction. And of course, in the Markovnikov rule, we know that the more substituted carbon of the double bond ends up with the OH, and the less substituted carbon of the double bond ends up with a cation, right? And I do also teach rich becomes richer strategy to my students in the Markovnikov addition. So if you think about that, right, the more substituted carbon would actually get an anion, which is OH negative, and the less substituted ends up with a cation, right? So option B then is the correct answer for this product.